You know what? In this video, I'll give you a complete roadmap for Solana blockchain developer that what are the things you have to know as a blockchain developer in 2026? What are the requirements you need to have in your portfolio to get a job and internship? How you can prepare yourself for the learning point of view, for investment point of view. So this roadmap is absolutely for everyone, those who haven't heard anything about the Solana technology, Solana tools, software programming language, and those who are already a builder and wanted to become a Solana developer and they want to enter into this field. So we'll talk about the technology perspective. We'll talk about the business point of view as well. So you can understand that what exactly happening in the Solana ecosystem. And based on that, you can prepare yourself for all the scenario. Right now, we have a lot of opportunity. You will see that we have this AI model, which will foster your development. So the thing we're going to focus in this particular roadmap is going to be a project-based model, technology, and we're going to combine this AI infrastructure to foster our development. So don't take this AI as your complete developer. That's not I'm going to focus in this, because if you're going to take this AI, you have no idea that what exactly happening, how it's writing the code, what are the logic you have to implement, because you have to think like a developer where you will have the full command over the AI assistant, and you can give the instruction, okay, this is the feature I want to have and this is the logic I want you to implement, because you are thinking constantly, you have the understanding about the programming language and you know what you are developing. So the rest of the writing, you can allow the AI to do that because you already have the clear picture about the development of the project. So that's what I'm going to focus in this particular roadmap from beginner to advanced, and it's going to be a very helpful for you. If you follow it for the next 3 to 4 months, it will automatically give you a broader perspective that what exactly happening in the industry and how you can prepare yourself for all the scenario, whether you for getting job and internship or launching your own business on top of this particular chain. So with that, let's start this particular roadmap. So before I start this roadmap, I just want to ask you one question honestly, that why you want to become a blockchain developer? Why you want to pick the Solana blockchain development roadmap? What is the purpose behind that? Why you want to take this particular route? So that's the question you have to ask yourself, and you have to be very honest. Right now, the money is really great. Right now, we have very few developers at the moment who can provide quality product. So the money is great. That's the one part. But development is a long-term game. It's not a short-term game where you can simply jump it straight away, make a quick money, and you can get out of this market. So it's a long-term game. Sometimes it will take a longer time to learn the technology and be relevant in the industry, because everybody is different from one another. We are not same. I might learn something very quickly. You might not grasp that particular concept. So that's the thing you have to understand. You have to be very patient with the coding, with the programming language, and what's happening around your development environment. So you will have this AI assistant, which going to be bringing, and everybody will give their comment that it's going to be the next big thing. We don't need developer. So you have to remove those jargon, because that's absolutely bullshit for me as of now. Still, we need a quality developer who can control the AI. AI will generate the code, and generating code is not that big deal. But if you don't understand that what is happening, how you can build the infrastructure, how you can charge the commission model, then it's going to create a lot of mess for you. So that's the first thing you have to focus, that you have to clear your mindset that why you want to learn, and are you willing to give your next 3 to 4 months in this particular roadmap. That's the first thing. Once you have the clear understanding, okay, I'm good, I'm ready to give my time, I'm ready to give all it's need to learn me this particular technology, then you are in this particular technology. So once you're done with that, after that, I would suggest you to build project. Again, I'm not going to tell you that focus on this particular programming language, that particular programming language, because that's going to be a time consuming. And here I want to give you the foolproof roadmap, which will be product driven, like project driven. So what will happen that when you will build a product, when you will build a project, and you have a basic understanding about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, this is actually the minimum requirement you need to have. You need to have a basic, not to be master, but at least you know 5% to 10%. So you can simply put that tag and you can follow the tutorial. So build the project. So once you will build the project, you will automatically understand that these are the tools we are utilizing. So when you will develop this project, after that comes the main work. So for example, you have completed a token creator platform, or you have built a to-do application we have on our channel. You have built this project. You have built your NFT marketplace. You have built those projects. So you have a complete working project that will give you the motivation that you have developed something in decentralized ecosystem. Once you're done with that, now you have to give your real effort. Whatever you have learned, try to understand that why we have implemented that particular logic, why it exists there. So you have to rewrite the logic. Try to do a deeper research for the function, for the packages we're going to utilize it. For example, the most common package we have in the Solana environment is Web3.js, which allow you to communicate with the decentralized ecosystem like Solana blockchain. So you have to read about it. So you will automatically find that we are utilizing those packages and how we are utilizing it. Once you will have the understanding, now you have to do a deeper research that how we can call within the function, what are the extra feature we have which we can implement, and it's super easy. Once you will have a working project which you have developed following the tutorial, after that, when you will spend some time on that, it will make more sense. It will make more sense. And probably you have noticed when you have worked in other project in the past that when you build something from scratch, when you follow any tutorial, you don't understand fully the tutorial for the very first time. But as the time goes, and if you give one more look, you learn something new. When you give third more, like when you follow the third time, you learn more and you understand. So that's how things work. And that's going to be the ultimate solution for you. It will be the fastest way to learn the technology, learn about the tools, learn about the packages, learn about the environment. It is the fastest way. I would suggest you to build a basic project. Start with token creator platform, Solana token creator platform, where you will learn about that how user can create the token and launch on the decentralized ecosystem like Solana blockchain, where what you are doing, you are solving a real problem because not everybody is developer, but all the user wants to launch the token. So why not you build a project which allow them to launch the token, and you can include multiple business model on top of it. Once you will have the understanding, you can add a business like commission based model. So when the user will launch the token, you can charge the commission. So think in that way. So this 3 project is absolutely must for you. First, start with Solana token creator. This one is absolutely must. After that, you have to focus on to-do list. This one is simple project, but it has a lot of things going on into it. After that, you have to focus on NFT marketplace. Once you're done with this 3 project, and in all of these 3 projects, we have used extensively Anchor and Rust programming language. This one is the most prominent programming language we have at the moment for Solana smart contract development, Solana infrastructure development, project development. This is the 2 technology you will find extensively get used in all the segment, whether you talk about the core blockchain development or whether you talk about the decentralized financial model. So this is what we're going to focus heavily. You're going to learn about all the packages like Metaplex, we have the IPFS, we have the Web3.js, we have the wallet adapters, we have a different wallet provider. That's all you will cover in all of these 3 projects. And trust me, it will take only 15 to 20 days if you give dedicated your time. If you try to follow the tutorial, try to understand every single thing we have covering in the project, it will save a lot of your time. So this should be your strategy. This should be your strategy. There is nothing out of the box someone will give you and you will master every single thing in one. Ultimately, you have to put your effort. You have to understand that what you have to give and bring on the table. It will take your time. It will take your effort. Don't bother about this AI. Again, these AI noise are getting too much. It will assist you, but you can able to take the advantage of this AI even in a higher way once you will understand the core fundamentals of the technology like programming language. Once you understand that, if you give your dedicated 3-month time, it will save like your entire life in this particular development field, and you will see the benefits, see the advantages, and you will appreciate yourself that you have given your time and learned the technology. Because right now, very few developers are learning. Most of the developers, mostly the beginner, they're generating the code and they think they're learning something, they're building something, but that will not take them anywhere. They will not get any job internship. Mark my word, they will not get any job at internship. So that's the thing you have to keep in mind. Still, we have a lot of demand for the developer, but we don't have the developer who can bring quality code, write quality project. We don't have that. So think in that way. This is the complete roadmap which you have to follow. Build this 3 projects: token creator, NFT marketplace, and to-do list. These 3 projects is already there. I will link in the description. So make sure to follow it. Okay. So that's the only thing from my end. If you have any question, any doubt, do let me in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.